Hi viewers, today we are going to train you how to install WordPress in your website. Mostly people face this problem, how to install the WordPress in their site. So in this tutorial we will be teach you how to install WordPress in your website. Thanks for your watching. Please keep watching our channel and press the bell icon. You will be notified by when we are uploaded any new video in our channel. Thanks for your watching. Let's see how to install and use the WordPress in your website. First of all, you log into your domain cPanel. You can see on your screen, this is we are at this time cPanel dashboard. Before you use the cPanel, you must be logged into your domain cPanel, username, password, then you will be see this screen. For security purpose, we are don't log in the front of you, because username, password are we are using to login. After the login, you will be redirect to this screen. This screen have many options for you: file managers, domains, softwares, advanced softwares, soft clouds, email account you can create and manage your databases, metrics you can check the visitor, many options available, security system, preferences, and application, WordPress toolkit. Many options available on the front of our screen, you can see on screen. In this screen we will be going to add this WordPress at this time. Now we are going to soft cloud. We are click the this icon, like and go to the soft app installer. In this scripts you can install the WordPress. Click on here after WordPress. I am going to click the WordPress. In this section you will be see another screen. We will be redirect to WordPress site. In there is there many options available. First of all, we can install. Install. Click on the install, and many settings you can see on your screen. We are going to press the install button. In the install, you will be select your domain where you want to install. If you are the want to main WordPress for your site, you remove the in directory. You will be install a main WordPress in your domain. Main in the main, when anyone run your site, he will be see this WordPress site. If you want to install in a subdirectory, you have to write is there any directory. The directory name is we are going to name it website 2. This we are directory use website 2. In this next section, very important section, either you need to use the choose to install the protocol. If you are use HTTP, can HTTP www, HTTPS, HTTPS www. For the most secure protocol in the world is HTTPS. You must use this protocol. If your installation may be sometime not give you an error, then you contact your hosting provider company. Then he will be give you the this protocol, because this is a very secure protocol and Google will support much support than HTTP protocol. You will be select the HTTPS protocol for the further security reasons. In the site name, you have to write is their site name. Is there any site name you can write here, like site name is Moon Online Store. For example like Moon Online Store. In the site description you have to write a best online store in the world. Is must be capital. Done. This is site name, this is the description. And the admin, you have to write the username and password. You can change the any type of username. For example, I am going to change the admin 123. This is our admin username. must use the different username rather than admin, because the admin, mostly people know the admin username. Mostly WordPress website name username is admin. For security reason, you have to choose a different username, because this will be a big effect for the unauthorized attempt to log in. And the next, you have to write any password. You mostly use the strong password. Click here. The system will be give us a strong password. Done. I am going to hide this and want to change the password, because we don't like to see the users, because this is the security reason. When after the upload this video, mostly people try to log in our this panel. Therefore I am going to change this password and hide this. After this, select a plugins. If you want to plugins, Classic Editor is the main. I'm going to add the Classic Editor. If the system will be ask you Classic Editor, because mostly need we are the Classic Editor, because mostly setting we can easily manage the website when we are creating any page and edit any page and modify any page from here. After the advanced option, let's see which options available. This is the username, database name. This is the table prefix. No problem. Okay, don't need to change anything here. Okay. After the sometimes you have to choose any theme from the these themes providing you your hosting company. We will be select any theme for the installation in our site. If we don't like and don't we are choose any, then the system will be automatically install a someone theme for you. At this time I am going to no use any theme. System will be installed automatically. After the few minutes you have to click the install button. System will be install your WordPress for you, and system will be taking a few seconds. After that successfully, you will be see congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Okay, WordPress has been successfully installed. At this our website name, press and open a new tab. Let's see our website look like this. Moon Online Store, a best store in the world. This is the first page of our website. After this, the next administrative URL. This is there we can create and edit our website. Press here and press the right click and press the open a new tab. In the new tab, system will be redirect to our dashboard. This is our dashboard or our website. You can see on your screen. In this dashboard, we can create pages, install any plugins. In the theme section, you can add any themes into your website. But in this tutorial, we will be teach you only how to install the WordPress in your website and how to use the website. This is the main dashboard of the WordPress. This is the home section. In this media section, you can upload any type of media like your pictures, any videos you can upload here, and next further you will be utilize them into your website. After the pages section, you can add in any new page. Here all pages you will be see on your screen. These are predefined page of our WordPress. If we have click on the add new button, this will be add new page section show us. In the next appearance, in the appearance we will be can the change our theme and add new themes. After the next button is customization. In the customization section, we will be customize our theme according to our requirements. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will be notified when we are uploaded any new video. Thanks for your watching.